everybody. My name is Anya. I welcome you all on behalf of Anvil Foundation. As you all know, we are still under the influence of lockdown and Anvil teachers have to conduct online school instead of physical school. Online school concept was new for all teachers and were gradually able to comfort children to accept the situation and feel the same personal touch they experienced during physical school at Anvil. But this was all possible only with the parents' support, and with their efforts it is much easier now. Thank you for your support, dear parents. Children also needed help as they were not able to sit for long in front of the screen. But all thanks to the strong bond between Anvil and parents, that now children are very comfortable and enjoying the online sessions. Anvil teachers are working very hard for every session. Parents are also very helpful and supportive. Thank you, dear parents. Virtually also, we have celebrated different events such as the Vastrapur, Janmashtami, Helpers Day, Blue Day, etc. And we can also see that the children are really enjoying them. At Anvil, we believe our children should be confident, fearless and stage friendly. To get rid of the stage fear and their confidence and be confident, every year Anvil organizes 2 stage performances in an academic year at the Prakash School Auditorium or Tagore Hall in front of a huge audience. This time, as we cannot provide physical stage show, Anvil has not loosened up their spirit and commitment to their children. And here, Anvil Foundation presents 2020 Virtual Stage Show. Come on, let's appreciate, enjoy and add one more feather in the cap of Anvil's memory.
Hello friends, my name is Siva Brahman. I love my tent house. It's gifted to me by my parents. Its color is fairy pink and white color. There are many lots of nuts all sides. I decorated with my kitchen set, dressing table and supermarket toys. I play inside with my dolls and some 10 parents. I miss playing with my friends because of COVID-19 precautions. So friends, how do you find tent house? It's very beautiful. Thank you.
Everyone, my name is Devan. Today I am going to talk about Diwali. Diwali is the very famous festival in India. On this day, the Ram came to Ayodhya. On this, people light candles and decorate with their homes with rangoli. People give sweets and share gifts with friends and relatives. All people new dresses on this festival. Diwali is the festival of lights. People worship goddess and Lakshmi and Lord Ganesha. Children burn firecrackers and with their friends. Diwali is very enjoyable festival. Thank you.
My name is Hit Limbasya. Today I am going to talk about Makar Sankranti. Makar Sankranti is a famous Hindu festival. It is also known as Kite Festival. It is celebrated on 14 January every year. Makar Sankranti means the junction of the sun in Capricorn. Uttarayan is favorite festival of children. They enjoy flying kites. People eat sweets like chiki and til laddu with family and friends. Thank you.
answer. From junior KG class. My topic is strawberry. Strawberry is a small fruit. It is a
Loudly.
red in color.
It grows.
It grows small plant. Like to eat strawberry cake.
It
It is
is used
in ice cream, juices, jams. Like to eat strawberry. Thank you. I am Anvil Mangunja. My school name is Anvil Foundation. I am in junior KG class. My topic is my house. I live in Sabutkar residency. We are 6 people in my house. My house is my shelter. I feel safe in my house. When I go on holiday, I miss my house. When I go on holiday, I love my house very much. Thank you. I am here. I told you Ramayana story. It Ram and Sita and Lakshman and Hanuman and Ravan. Ram Lakshman use is bow and arrow. Hanuman uses gada. Ravan uses sword. Ravan is a Rakshas. Ravan took the Sita to Lanka. And Ram and Lakshman who had caused Hanuman. Hanuman says, Jai Shri Ram and went to Lanka. Ram to his special magic arrow to Lavan king. And Ram to Sita to back to Ayodhya. Good wins, bad loses. Thank you. Hello students, I am an astronaut. I thought about space. How wonderful the sky looked different day and night. During the day, the sun appears, night, moon and star, but planets not visible from the earth. For that, you have to go into space. Astronaut go into space. For that, you don't have to go into car, train and plane. You have to go into spacecraft and wear two spacesuit. Rakesh Sharma was an astronaut. And now, who will go to space? This color is yellow. It has 4 wings. Two legs, 2 doors, 1 sheriff, 1 mirror, everyone has to read book daily. Thank you. Hi everyone. My name is Kahan Karan. I will talk about the trees. Trees are useful and beautiful living things on the earth. Living things on the earth. They provide us fresh oxygen. They provide us fresh oxygen and necessitate the things like wood for producing the paper. Trees fruit shade in the sunny days. Trees provide home and lot of animals like insects, birds and land animals. Trees are my best friend. Please save the trees. Thank you. Hi friends, my name is Tanvi Shetya. I like to drink milk every day. I drink it every morning, afternoon and night. My mama gives me chocolate milk and rose milk. My grandma says it has lot of vitamins, proteins and minerals. It gives us good health, growth and strength. You know, curd, tea, sweets are made for milk. It is good for everyone. Do you also drink milk every day? Please drink milk every day. Thank you. Hi, my name is Nijat Chiradia. Today I become Cinderella. I didn't dream that one day I will be very happy. I did not give up on my dream. One day one angel helped me to get rid of my step. Mom and stepsister with help of this sandal. I will get married to the prince and live happily ever after. Thank you. Good morning, everybody. I am a Jade Sai, studying in Junior KG. I saw you my kitchen is pink and white in color.
It has
Small lessons like cups, spoons, and plate and spoons.
it
And
has cup.
cupboards, gas, ovens, drawers, and wash basin.
In this
Yes, in this kitchen, I make food for my dog and Barbies. Thank you. Hello everyone, my name is Vihai Trivedi and my topic is National Anthem. A national anthem is country's national song. Our national anthem is Jana Gana Mana, which we all sing every day after prayer. Let me give you some more information about our national anthem. It was written and composed by Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore as a Bengali poem. It was adopted as India's national anthem on 24th January 1950. It was selected as our national anthem by Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose while he was in Germany. It has been written and composed. It has been written almost entirely using nouns that can also function as verbs. It takes 52 seconds approximately for a formal rendition of the anthem. Our patrons are expected to stand in respect during the rendition of the anthem. Jai Hind, thank you. My name is Sabida Iyer. My favorite day is Sunday. I have holiday in school on Sunday. On Sunday, I wake up late and have breakfast with my family. I play games and enjoy with my father. My mother cooks tasty food for the me. In the evening, I go to park, also to the temple. After dinner, I go to see a little. Good morning, friends. My name is Kasvi Tusa Gandakwala. My school name is Anvil Foundation. My topic is my best friend, my mom. My mother's name is Rujuta Rathod. She spends whole day with me. She gets up early in the morning with smile. We have lots of fun, like eating food, like dancing whole day. During
Anvisha. You know the engine is heart of aeroplane, but the pilot is soul of aeroplane. I am the one who fly the aeroplane. I will take you to your destination safely. Just sit, relax, and enjoy the movie. Thank you. Bye bye. Hello everyone. My name is Veda Trivedi, and my topic is Indian Armed Forces. The Indian Armed Forces are the military forces of the Republic of India. It consists of 3 professional services: Indian Army, Indian Navy, Indian Air Force. All the 3 branches have inter-service commands and institutions. The President of India is the Supreme Commander of our Indian Armed Forces. These forces are under the management of Ministry of Defence. With 1.4 million active personnel, ours is the second largest military forces in the world. Largest volunteer army. As per the recent reports, ours is fifth most powerful military in the world. We are very proud of our forces, and indeed they are our real heroes. Jai Hind, thank you.
Thank you so much, parents, for all your support, trust, and love. Now I would like to welcome Mr. Pathik Shah, founder of Anvil Foundation, and Pathik Shah is also a territory head of Early Childhood Association. He is also managing trustee of the Bindi Project Trust. He has conducted many teacher training programs, workshops for children and parents. He has also been invited in many webinars across the globe. Pathik sir is most passionate and enthusiastic person for children. We appreciate him for the quality of care he provides to children every day. Here is our favorite Pathik sir.
Thank you. Thank you for appreciating and welcoming this show. It is not a one-man show. It's a teamwork. Parents have worked very hard as a co-teacher of their children. Without my teachers and parents' support, this would have not been possible. Every year, Anvil provides a platform for our children to perform. It's not about the performance. It's to get rid of their stage fear, to enhance their self-confidence, and to showcase their talents. It is very important at this age, this growth needs to be there. During this lockdown, we could not provide them the physical stage, so we decided to go virtual. And I am so proud you all have seen the achievement and what my children have achieved. Thank you so much, parents, and of course without my teacher and my support staff, this have been not possible. Thank you once